Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KJ Beauty. So I probably look a mess right now. That's because it is almost midnight. It is right now 11:30 and I don't know why I decided to do it right now, but I'm gonna try the passion twist that everyone have been talking about. I've been wanting to try it for a while now, but I've been busy doing other things. So now I finally decided, you know what, enough is enough. I'm gonna stop daydreaming and I'm gonna do it today. And I have no idea how long that's gonna take me, but I'm gonna do it because I just want to. It's summer and I just want to try the passion twist because I'm just tired of seeing everyone else with it but me. I went to my local beauty supply store. I picked up 3 of this pack. 3 packs right here in the color 1B, and the length is 20. So this is in the style Deep Wave, so I think it will blend very well with my hair. So let's get into this video because, like I said again, it's almost midnight. I probably look like a hot mess right now, but I was determined. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get into it. So it's the next morning. I don't know who was I kidding, thinking I'm gonna start doing my hair at 12 and I'm gonna finish. I got so tired that I couldn't finish it. Like I started to do it, but I did not finish at all. I'm going in with the Bella Curls leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna mix that with my olive oil eco styler gel, and I'm gonna mix that into a really nice mixture. This is literally the best moisturizer that I could have done for my hair. It just keeps my hair so nice so that my hair wouldn't show through the braid, because I do have a fussy type hair. Even though now with the leave-in that I created, it kind of looked like I have a 4B in between, but once it's dried down, it is a 4C. Don't get that mixed up. So I'm gonna coat my hair with it real nicely, and I'm just gonna comb that out. I'm gonna go in with the crochet hair. I am using about 3 strands of hair for each braid. Just starting to twist it really tightly at the roots and going down to the ends. And I'm just trying to be consistent because it kind of gets, knotted at the ends. So I just keep going and twist as I go. It just naturally forms the curls and how it looks so nice and curly at the ends, in that the hair naturally does that by itself. So there was no trick to how I got it to be like that. So just make sure that when you're doing it, the hair is bigger than your natural hair so that it will cover your hair enough. So like depending on the side of the braid, you might have to do like 2 strand, 3, or even 4 strand. So for me, I did the 3 strand, so that's how I got it to look nice, and my hair was not peeking through at all. And especially with the leave-in, it was a great combination for this hairstyle. And again, the hair that I use has a more of a yaki texture to it, so it wasn't like the free stress, because the free stress is more silky. It would have been harder to blend in with my hair, but that one was perfect. So I will see if I can find the link online, and I'll leave it down in the description box below for any of you guys who wanted to try this. And again, it is in the length 20 inches, so it was long enough for me. I think it was perfect, and it did not unravel while I was doing it. It stayed in place. And as you guys can see towards the end, what I did is once it get a little knotted, I just use my comb and comb it out just to get it puffed out a bit. And then sometimes I use water to spray it so that the curl can just form nicer. So that's what I'm doing throughout the whole hair.